what is happening? Huh? Is your wife not bringing the food again?
Alika,
I am hungry.
Go and drink brukutu. Then go home and rest. Are you hearing me now? If you are waiting for my wife's food, you better think somewhere. Are you stupid? Am I your father? Why are you always depending on my wife's food for you to survive? In Abwara, if you get your own money, you sneak. I want to go and buy a piston and this thing. The next thing is a film. As if piston and this thing is what we are doing that time. I know where you normally end your break time with.
Peter.
Now, when they bring food for me, you come, where is my wife's food coming? Yes, as a delivery van.
Peter, it's me. Why are you talking to me like that now? Don't I have a wife?
Alika, of what use is your wife to us? Is it not the full trailer load of complaint that you eat, not even single puff? Your wife cannot give to you to package and bring here.
Peter,
you depend on my wife.
In a nutshell,
shut
what
up!
are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say, Alika, you should shut up.
Are you the one feeding me?
Yes, I'm feeding you. If not because of me, will you get this muscle? Every day, when you finish eating my wife's food, you'll be telling me you get organic.
Talk to me.
Oh, I don't mind the
way you. This is food, though. This is just food, though. This is not money. This is just food.
Tell your wife to bring. Hi.
Good afternoon. Alika, good afternoon.
Amaka. How is my wife?
She's fine. She's
busy. Start going home.
Check whether the spoon is two now.
There is no spoon.
Is it two spoons?
Tell my wife that I am coming very soon. Let me finish coupling this top. Yeah. You have to
wait. I see. I want to ease myself. Let me.
Alika.
Why are you holding me now?
You see that, Chiamaka?
Which Chiamaka?
Whatever calculation you made in your heart before standing up, remove it.
I want to ease myself.
What is your problem? Remove yourself. She's a reverend sister. Alika, that girl you're seeing is a reverend sister. You're not stepping an inch from here.
See, let me tell you, what is your problem now?
The whole people working in this workshop will see. They know
you are gradually turning to a wizard.
I'm even happy.
You are gradually turning to a wizard.
I will open shop very soon in wizardry. Alika,
let me use myself now. Allow me to use myself.
Alika, you're not going to
Peter, what are you doing now?
Are your eyes blind? Alec, are your eyes blind? What does it look like I'm doing?
We are eating the food alone. This food is meant for both of us now.
Says who? As brothers in Galilee. Me, elder brother. You, younger brother. Okay, sit down. Since people here. Just standing there staring at me. Okay, go and bring your own spoon and off here. Before you start lamenting.
Peter, don't finish this food though. Don't finish this food though.
Yeah. And off here, that's what you know how best to do. Now bring your spoon.
Sweetie today, fight tomorrow. Sweetie today, fight tomorrow. Now which kind family be this year? Which kind husband and wife be this year?
Where's this mad girl? Righteous! 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 What did she go to? Righteous! Okay, maybe she has gone to the market. Let me go and look for her there. Chiamaka, are you okay? What is wrong with you? You want to go to the market to look for a mad person? What will people say when they see both of you? Two mad people. They will think I'm mad like how? Chiamaka, what is it? No, I can't go to the market. Oh, but what did she go to now? Now that I want to... come back.
We have married. I have nowhere to go, my darling. Show me your mind, not your back. I call you my friend, Unaginerika. Show me your mind, Yosimo Biggie.
Hey, Ray.
Not your back.
Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah, good. So what's good?
Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Yeah, I spoke to my wife and the inspector handling the murder case. I told them I'll be needing another security man. And they liked the idea and said I should go ahead.
I know they will like it. And I'm also glad your confidence level has increased to 75%.
Dude, that's funny. Listen, I believed you, okay? I also know you mean well for me.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
So back to business. Do I bring in the security man and the house help immediately?
Why not give them some time to prepare for the job? And what if they've gotten another job?
What if they've gotten another job? Where? How? Ray, you and I know there are no jobs in this country. All over the road.
That's right.
Let me bring you up to speed. These guys have been standing by. They've been calling me. Oga, you no go call us again. Oga, the work steady. Oga, hope say you never give the work to another person.
Really?
And I told them, take a chill pill, calm down. The job is still there for you. So they'll be very, very glad. I mean, it will be whoo for them to hear this good news because they'll be home and dry.
All right. In that case, you can come with them on Saturday. I'm sure my wife would ask them a few questions, and if she approves of them starting, they can start ASAP.
Oh, okay. That means if I bring them this Saturday, can they start work immediately?
Well, I just said yes. You can ask them to come on Saturday. Then, if my wife approves of them starting ASAP, then they can.
Trust me, she'll like them. She'll like them. She will.
Hey, I have good news for you, though.
Good news. Go ahead. My ears
Don't worry, I'll tell you.
I love good
I'll
news.
tell you. Give me a minute.
I
Let me
call you
decide.
my friend, Unaginerika. Sweetie today, fight tomorrow. Sweetie today, fight tomorrow. Now which kind family be this year? Which kind husband and wife will be this year?
Wait, oh. So, hey, wonder shall never end. So Alika still cheats on me? I can't believe this. Shh, Alika. Hey! So, this is what Alika Angelica has been doing. Angelica can never change. He would never change. So he still cheats on me, right? Okay, no problem. You will come and meet me here. Today.
Catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long catch up with you. One day. Catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long you are.
I feel good. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. I know that I won now. Woo-hoo. So good. Bing, bing. So good. I've got a you. Sunshine. Sunshine. Where's my sunshine?
Baby.
My, oh my.
Are you back?
I am back.
How's that?
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Work was memorable.
Really?
Fantastic.
Are you serious, baby?
Sunshine said, let me break the good story.
Okay.
God has blessed me.
Are you serious, baby?
In fact, He has blessed us. I want you to choose any car of your choice.
Are you serious?
Any car.
Okay. I want the IVM.
Which of the IVM?
The Ikenga.
Who? Consider it done.
It's a lie, baby.
I said consider it done.
Oh my God! You see? Serious, baby?
I'm rich.
Are you serious?
God has blessed us.
We are rich.
In fact, let me sit like
Baby, you're serious? Please do.
you were talking to the next billionaire in town.
Oh my God.
As a matter of fact, I will be $100 million rich.
Oh my God.
$100 million rich.
You lie,
I swear that.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my God, you're serious?
Dead serious. As a matter of fact, I will take you away from this country. I will stay away for like 10 years before coming back.
We are leaving this country.
For good.
Ooh.
Baby.
Ooh. This is good news.
You just take it easy.
This is good news.
You know the fear God.
I don't feel good.
You know the fear God.
Oh my God. I'm so happy for us.
God has finally shamed our enemies. God has shamed them.
I so love you.
I feel good. I know that I won. So good. Man, so good. I've got a you. Love is good, baby.
How's work?
Work was fine, but stressful. Work was stressful as usual. So, baby,
Yeah.
when is the new house up and gate man coming?
I'm thinking Saturday.
Saturday? Isn't
Yeah.
Saturday too far? I mean, you can't continue like this, stressing yourself opening the gate.
Relax. Just wait until Saturday, okay? Okay. But besides, I'm not complaining. Haven't I been doing it since we lost Gaius? Huh?
You're not complaining. I'm the one complaining here.
It's okay. Saturdays are around the corner. Alright, just relax. I'll be fine. After Saturday, everything will be okay. Huh?
Okay, babe.
By the way, what did you buy something? Did you buy some food?
Yes, I bought something for us to eat.
What did you buy?
I'm not telling.
Let me see.
No.
Come here.
Come, let's get to the dining. Your longer thought is too much. Let's
Okay,
go first.
fine. That's problem. It's fine. Babe, what did you buy?
Come and eat, oh.
Sweetie today, fight tomorrow. Sweetie today, fight tomorrow. Now which kind family be this year?
How are you doing, my woman?
Which kind husband?
I'm not
and
fine.
wife?
Who provoke you now? You know you can find trouble for Africa.
So you know. And then you don't want to respect yourself. Opia, Alika. Who owns this pants and condoms? I am asking you, what are they doing in your pocket?
I know you're mad, but I don't know you are also blind. Can't you recognize your pant again? This is the pant I bought for you the other day now.
Liar. Alika, liar. Take a look at the size of this pant. Does this pant look like my pants? Look at the size, oh. I'm asking you now. Smell it. Does this smell like my pants?
See, listen. I bought this pant off head.
You're lying.
I don't know your size.
Hey.
Do I know your size?
Do I
know your size?
You know I don't wear colored pants. So why did you buy me red pants? Onyase.
Yes.
I
I forgot you don't wear colored pants. That is my mistake. But it's not something to question me about. I'm only showing care.
Alika, you're very, very stupid. It is very, very stupid. Chineke wogoku. I'm very stupid. It is very, very stupid. So this is what you've been doing.
Me.
Wait,
me.
Yes.
Alika, your beloved husband, stupid.
Who is beloved?
Your husband
beloved?
Stupid.
You're stupid.
From today henceforth, I will show you how stupid men behave. Come inside, let me show you.
Is that what you're saying, Alika? Is that what you're saying? Hey!
Let me show you.
Follow me inside. They don't baby, you're my man. They don't Who wants to scatter my home? Who wants to break my home? They're going to count them. They're going to find Alika. This is what you're saying.
Yeah. Sir, honestly, awarding that contract will be very difficult. Though. Yeah, it's about 250 million. Some of my friends are speaking to the governor. Yeah, it's, you know the procedure. It's quite tough to deal with those government officials. So can I kindly call you back shortly? Alright, thank you.
Hey baby, you were here and I was looking for you inside.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the office.
To the office?
Yes.
Today is Saturday, aren't you aware?
I'm aware, baby. We had an emergency in the office, so they asked all the heads of the department to report immediately.
But you're not the head of your department, you're just an accountant there.
I know, baby. I was asked to stand in for my head of department. She had an emergency, so she had to rush to the village. But please, I need to go.
Wait. What about the workers? Aren't you supposed to interview them?
Baby, what's there to interview? We need your services urgently.
So when is this meeting ending?
I didn't even ask my manager.
Ha!
Yeah, please, can you help me open the gate, please?
I should help you open the gate. Really? Listen. You see these things you're doing? I don't like them.
Baby.
We had an agreement and now you're breaching it.
I'm sorry. You know the nature of my job.
Please leave me alone.
I'm sorry.
Don't worry. It's fine. Just know that I don't like this thing you're doing.
I'm sorry, baby. I will come back very, very soon.
Please leave me alone.
I'm sorry now.
Tomorrow, sweetie today, fight tomorrow. Now which kind family be this year? Which kind husband and wife be this year?
Today is indeed a great day. Very faithful weather. God bless my day.
Amen, my husband. My love. The sugar in my tea. My baby. I made your breakfast just the way you like it. Please come and eat.
Stupid people don't eat. Yes.
Baby, don't tell me you're still angry over the misunderstanding we had yesterday.
That's what makes it more stupid.
Baby, stop this thing now, eh? Let's discuss, reasonably, like mature people.
Stupid people don't reason.
Alika, so you're working out on me already, Akwaya?
That's how stupid people behave.
Alika, You're walking out on me. Eh? Okay. So because I even brought down myself to come and plead with you and make breakfast for you, I don't blame you. You will come back and meet me in this house. I will show you. You stupid man.
Hi, Duke.
Hey, Ray.
How far now?
Very well, very well.
I'm sorry for the little delay. I was trying to reply some email.
No qualms.
Yeah. So what about the workers?
Yeah, they are outside.
Okay. They should come in.
Before that, I would advise you employ them since I asked them to come with their bags, considering the distance from the house to this place.
That's okay. Let's meet them first.
Oh, good. Excuse me.
Fishy way never enter.
Hey, they open place, so you say this place get as a bit. Don't they come? Yes.
Shut me your mind. You see my begin. Oh, my friend, not your back.
I am sorry for keeping you guys waiting, okay? My friend was doing some things inside. Oh, good thing he's waiting for us in the sitting room now. Let me tell you guys something. I want both of you to comport yourself. What did I say?
Comport ourselves.
What did I say?
We should comport ourselves.
Very well. Comport yourself. My friend is a very, very sensitive person. Do you get?
Yes,
Good.
Oga Duke, you know, say for my own side, I no get problem. I fit do anything what you tell me. But now this in work here, I don't know.
Shut up. Mind your business.
See what I'm saying? We've not even gone inside. We've started displaying. Listen. Listen attentively. If you play with this opportunity, you live in penury for the rest of your life. You know what's penury?
I don't get shaking like take it back. I will comport myself.
Since we've agreed to comport ourselves, I think we'll behave ourselves well.
Yes.
So, shall we?
No, they go inside. They go now.
I don't know road now.
Full of Hannah. You know that they
My God, no friend, and so on a solid. On no friend, and so on a solid. But no be fading, John. Oh, behind it, John. Man, no be fading, John. Oh, behind it, John. Your life is in danger. This is not your fear of bad friends. All he does is pretending. Your life is in danger. Bad friends under your nose. Be careful. This is not your friend. They pretend to know. All he does is pretending.
Good afternoon,
Your
sir.
life is in danger.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Sir, my name is George.
George.
Yes, sir.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kaduna State, sir.
From Kaduna State?
Yes.
So why do you bear George?
Okay, that one. Okay, no face, so. My parents na Christian then build. Now me come make me the Asada George. No face.
Okay. Well, what about you? What's your name?
Sir, my name is Chiamaka.
Where are you from, Chemaka?
I'm from Ebonyi State, sir.
Ebonyi State. That's great. Okay, so I suppose my friend has told you about me, yeah?
Yes, sir. You don't tell us.
I'll go straight to the point, yeah? I'm a married man. My wife is a banker. She was supposed to receive you guys, but something else came up, so she had to leave. So I'm doing it on her behalf. However, I'm a no-nonsense guy. I don't take nonsense from anyone. You must discharge your duties diligently and be at your best behaviors.
No problem, sir. No problem.
So I'd like for you to start today. But before you do that, we shall discuss about your salary maybe much later in the evening.
That's not a problem, sir.
Okay. You have anything to say to them?
You've said it all now. Like they say, the word is enough for the wise. They are wise.
Okay, so Chiamaka, come. I'll show you to your room. Give me a second.
Oga, make I follow.
Yeah, hold on. I'll show you to your room too.
Okay. Oga Duke, this house fine well. I swear, this house fine well. Eh? Yes. Yes.
Comport yourself. Comport yourself.
Okay.
Sweetie today, fight tomorrow. Sweetie today, fight tomorrow. Now which kind family be this year? Which kind husband and wife will be this year? Oganafia, we have married you. Oganafia, I have nowhere to go, my darling. Oganafia, we have married you. Oganafia, no leave, no transfer.
Mama. Ha. Oh. No. Mama.
What an August visit.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine.
Which one is August visit?
Since your mother died, how many times have you come here to check on me? Eh? So what do you want me to say?
Mama, sorry. Him and family, husband, all these things, all the reason.
I know. It's okay. So how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. Why did you lock yourself inside like that?
Hey, everything is fine. I've been inside praying for my younger sister.
Is she okay? What happened to her? Is she hospitalized?
No, she's not. God forbid. Listen, she went for a job interview. And if she gets that job, our life will be alright. In fact, our lives will change for good. We'll say bye-bye to poverty.
Mama,
that's why I've been praying for her to secure the job.
Don't worry. She has gotten the job already.
Amen.
The God I serve will give her the job.
Amen.
Don't worry. So that we'll be enjoying.
Let me quickly get you a seat so that we can sit.
Okay, Mama. Mommy, go for a bacha. Jibo. Hey. It's been long, girl.
My angel, my watermelon. Look at the way your Bobby is standing. Organic Bobby. This is organic.
Bring down your voice.
Organic.
My mother's sister is still around. I hope you did not park your car around the compound.
I am not that stupid now. I parked very far from your house. Don't bother yourself.
Are you sure?
Yes, now I parked very far from your house. Now nobody can trace the car.
Okay.
Why is your face like this now?
I am not fine.
What is wrong with you?
I'm hungry.
Is that why your face is like that? Don't you trust me again? Before you said it, I already know what is in your heart. See, as I was coming to this place, I bought you food, fried rice and chicken. Don't you trust me again?
Thank you. I love you.
I love you quantum. Now I love you times 5. Oh, my angel. Oh, dopamine. Oh. This thing, the way it's dangling. See, let me bust your bubble. Eh? Your car has landed in Lagos.
My car?
Yes. See.
So I am now a car owner.
Listen, as a matter of fact, all your friends will be envious of you. Don't keep your drink or your food anyhow. In fact, from today, if you want to eat, enter toilet to avoid story.
I'm proud of you.
I love you, Quantum, my baby. See, I love you, Quantum. I love you, Quantum. I love you, Quantum. Please now, let's go inside so you can give me one for the road.
Busy every time.
What am I living for now?
Stop, this thing is paining me.
See, this thing is just meant for one purpose. You know, and also worry. We can't leave it like that now. Very soon you get used to it. It's just, initial time. Very soon you get used to it. Okay, let's go inside. I know you will be tired. My only more queen. Only more queen. Only more queen.
One day your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long or how smart you are. One day your sins must catch up with you. It doesn't matter how long or how smart you are.
Red pants. Am I going to red pants? Your queen. Come why? Hey! And packets of condom in your husband's pocket. Wonder shall never end. If any more.
Mama, you can say that again. Eh? Men are very, very wicked. They are wicked and heartless.
So the red pants and the packets of condom, is he opening the shop of condom? What is he doing with them?
Mama, the same question I asked him. But he denied it immediately. But trust me now, Mama. I gave him 3 dirty slaps. Yes! Opa Bumbo, Oyoyo, come on, I'm at that church. Next time, he will not try it with me.
Why? Why not going away? We cannot tell you. I trust you. But is that all you did to him?
Hey, Mama, don't you know what I can do again?
I trust you.
I made sure he slept outside the compound. I don't mean like outside though. Inside the compound, but not inside the house. I locked the gate and locked the house so that he will not enter inside.
That's good. So where is he now?
He has gone to work. Oh. Mama, I made sure he did not have his bath. Not even breakfast.
Oh, that was mean. You should have allowed him to take his morning bath before leaving the house.
Hey, Mama, is that what you're saying? No. Wait, let him come back. By the time he gets back, I will continue from where I stopped. And this time, I will pour him hot water.
Don't do that one, except you want to become a widow at this your young age.
Mama, Ondo. Is it not better I'm a widow than for me to be with a man that goes up and down from one skirt to another, from one place to another? Mama, tell me what my husband is looking for that I don't have.
So my husband is actually a very nice man.
Today, fight tomorrow. Now which kind family be this year? Which kind husband and wife will be this year? Oganafia, we have married. Oganafia, I have nowhere to go, my darling. Oganafia, we have married. Oganarano, I have nowhere to go, my darling. No leave, no transfer. 1 year, but you go. After all, up for better, for worse. In the night, yo, Apollo sweet, in the morning, Apollo cataract. Now which kind will be this year? Okay, you're not gonna go for Upon your cousin, I can't want to say. And the loony femme, one more. Oganafia, we have married. Oganafia, I have nowhere to go.
Who are you?
Who are you? Are you mad? Madman.
Are you talking to me?
Are you deaf? Sit down here, I want to preach the word of God to you.
Look at this man, Kelly. Eh?
It's you that is mad.
Leave this place before I beat you black and blue. Leave.
I'm not going anywhere. Sit down. Madman. Sit down. See, even when Moses came, Moses did not tell us that Jesus was coming. It's only Moses that came.
Are you preaching for me?
Yes.
You and me, who is supposed to preach to? You think I'm mad? Ngwa, leave here before I will. Don't worry. Ngwa, come! I love you. Leave, idiot. You want to preach to me? Let me see you here again. I love you. If not because I was fast enough, some people will think I am doing something with this mad girl. And they will definitely begin to suspect that the reason I am progressing in my shop is because I am into some rituals. Eh? Look, a mad girl, all the way from wherever, inside our workshop. She wants to preach to me. Will it? What? I'm talking to you, you're standing there. Leave there, Anofia. Eh? How can a mad girl come? By the way, where are the security of this place? Eh? They allowed this idiot to come here where I'm sleeping and touched. Hey, this bread I must take this bread to my pastor. She touched my bread.
If you ask me, I will tell you, don't pour hot water on your husband. Except if you want to make the front pages of newspapers as the one that battered her husband with hot water. What did he do? Because he went out with another woman. If he dies, you are facing murder charges. And you go to prison. Is that what you want for your life? Leave him. I'm telling you the truth.
Mama, he's pushing me. Mama, he's pushing me.
Mama, you have slapped him. You've taken your pound of flesh. Like you said, you locked him out, right? Let it be enough.
Mama, at this point, I don't care. I don't care. Yes.
Oh, hey. So my husband is actually a very nice man. Hey.
So babe, that's Chiamaka.
Okay.
She's the new house help. Chiamaka, this is my wife, your new madam.
Hey, madam. Good evening, ma'am. You are beautiful, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
That's George, the new gatesman. He said it's for the Kaduna State.
Kaduna?
Yeah.
Why is he answering George?
Sorry, ma. I'm a Christian. My native name is Abubakar Ali. Yes, now make me the answer, George.
Oh, that's so.
Yes. Good evening, ma.
Good evening. Okay, you both are welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Chiamaka.
Ma'am?
Chiamaka, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please, I want you to take care of the house. Make sure everywhere is clean at all times. Okay? And when it's time for food, no late dinner. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Take care of the kitchen properly. I want everything sparkling clean. And my dishes, if anyone breaks, I'll deduct the money from your salary. Is that clear?
I won't break anything.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. And George.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, don't throw my gate open to any stranger that knocks at the door. Alright? I don't want anybody visiting you here. I repeat, nobody should visit you. Is that okay?
Madam, I don't know anybody for here, so I don't go bring anybody inside. I'll do my job well.
That's better. Okay, we can go back to your duties.
Speaking about your salaries, I'll give you 50,000 every month, and I'll give you 60,000 every month.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
However, you're under probation.
Okay, sir.
So we're going to be watching you for this month and see how it goes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You can go. Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
What do you think? Too much?
No, it's fine.
It's
baby.
okay?
It's fine, yes.
So like I said, they're under probation. Let's watch them the whole of this month and see how it goes. Right?
Yeah.
Then subsequently, we can make a decision.
Sweetheart, you seem to be enjoying this food.
Really nice. It's good. Wow.
You're even saying what?
No, but
Her head will soon burst.
I'm commending her cooking. It's really nice. I'm saying my mind.
So, where did you learn how to cook like this?
Actually, I'm a corporate chef.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Lunch very well.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
You had the alacrity, the guts, the effrontery, the impetus to call a man that paid your bride price with his hard-earned money a stupid man. You will still see stupidity romance.
My husband, because I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I'm over because you're my husband. Please forgive me.
What have you done for me in this house? No child. All you do is to eat, go to toilet, come out, call me a stupid man.
My husband, I am no God that gives children.
Still use that your thinking mouth, that your rubbish mouth to ask God to give you child instead of calling your husband, your faithful husband, a stupid man.
I swear on my mother's grave, I will never call you stupid again. I will never call you stupid. I will never insult you.
You are even making things more difficult. Bible says thou shalt not swear. You just swore with your mother's grave, making things more difficult, adding more salt to the injury.
I'm sorry. I just want us to live in peace in this house because
How possible will that be? How will you live in peace with a stupid man? It's not possible now.
No, my husband. I'm sorry, you're not stupid. I am the person that is stupid.
You are the one that is stupid.
Yes.
Say it again.
Victoria, you're very, very stupid.
I love that. Now, just oppose and synthesize. How stupid are you?
Victoria, you're the most stupidest person on earth.
Expatiate and coagulate. How stupid are you?
Victoria, you're stupid to the bone marrow. You're a fool.
Simplify and factorization. How stupid are you?
Victoria, you're stupid. Stupid is your name. Because you're my husband.
Massage my leg.
One day, okay, set you well. You want to get it. Go, boss, well. One day, it go happen. You go market, you no go return.
Yes, hello. Can you come to my office by 9 so we can rectify the account? Yes, 9 o'clock. Yes, try not to be late, please. Yeah, bye.
Hey, madam, are you not taking breakfast? It's ready.
Okay, what did you make?
Toast bread, egg and tea.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll come to have some.
Okay, thank you.
Alika, onye mbalaku. Omakwa sali maluwewe.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. You're ready for work?
Yes, so let me go out there and see what God has for me.
Don't worry, my husband. Today will be a blessing to you.
Amen.
Your going out and coming in shall be blessed.
Amen.
Customers will be chasing you up and down.
Amen.
And they will be chasing you with money.
Amen. Amen.
So
amen.
shall
And
it be.
amen. And amen.
Amen.
All right, just take good care of the house, okay?
Okay, well.
I will see you.
My husband, sorry. You're leaving, but you did not drop money for me. There is nothing in the house.
Did you see the reason I don't like forgiving some people? Eh? Now I'm forgiving you. You are now asking me for money. Did you see the reason?
I'm sorry, it's just that we
Listen, please. I want to ask you a question now. Do you want us to go back to where we were yesterday?
No, my husband.
Beautiful, beautiful. I love that. Let's see when I come back, please.
This man is very wicked, though. Eh? He's very wicked and heartless. He doesn't have any conscience at all. Come on, give me money, let me cook food. Mba. What am I even doing in this marriage, eh? I blame marriage, oh. It's marriage that brought me and this man together. Let me just keep quiet. Let me just keep quiet.
One day, it go happen. It go market.
This idiot have not fixed my car. See why I don't trust people. What is even wrong with this my car? Look at this car I gave my car to fix it. Because I'm a Christian, doesn't want to fix it. This is my car.
One day, your sins must catch up. It doesn't matter how long or smart you are. One day, your sins must catch up. It doesn't matter how long or smart you are. One day, your sins must catch up. It doesn't matter how long or smart you are. Nothing is hidden under the sun. If open on your material, nature, imetamanua, on nature paradio, imetenjanua, on nature city. One day, your sense must catch up. Upon your mama, your life is in danger. Be careful, this is not your friend. All he does is pretense. Your life is in danger. Be careful, this is not your friend. All he does is pretense. Your life is in danger.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How's your night?
Very well, sir. Thank you.
Good.
Sir, I hope you've had breakfast today.
Yes, I have.
All right. Sir, please, what would you want for dinner?
Anything is fine. Rice, anything.
Okay.
Listen, I want you to put an eye on the gate man. Understood?
I will.
Okay. Take care of the house. I'll be back shortly.
Oga, hello. Open the gate. Okay. Come.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. I want you to keep an eye on the house help.
Oh, that one. No problem, sir. I did good one.
Take care of the house.
Okay, sir.
Right.
No problem.
Open the gate.
Let me bring it.
Hurry up.
I'm going to Your life is in danger. Be careful, this is not your friend. All he does is pretending. Your life is in danger. Your life is in danger. Be careful, this is not your friend. All he does is pretending. Your life is in danger. Characterize people by their actions, and you will never be fooled by their words. Alika alika onye mpalaku omakwa sali marubele kamili dolu libele jutolo wankita.
Wetin carry you come here, Panu? Eh? Are you mad? Na Puala? Nothing Musa no go see forget. What did carry you come here? They look me.
It's you that's mad. It's you that's mad. Madman. 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 Come and fix my car. Fix my car. I gave you my car since 30 years now. You've not fixed it. I'm not going to if you've not fixed my car.
Really? See, listen, I don't play with mad people. Come on, get out of here before I break your head now. I don't joke with mad people. I don't joke with mad people. I see.
Alika alika onye mpalaku omakwa sali marubele ya makamili dolu nibeleju dolu wankita. Uku naga wara wara anya naga wam na fugi. One day oge seti kwa idikwa njikere makoga boso kwa arika arika onyalo arika 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 onyalo arika arika one day onyalo it go happen it go market. You are evil doer. You allow yourself to be used. So what do you stand to gain in all this? Why did you choose this wicked way? Why did you choose
George! Before you since now, you know they hear your name.
Why would they call me like that? Eh? I don't wait for this food time. You don't say hunger they make person sleep.
No vex. I'm busy with house chores inside. Take.
You won't make I die before I can.
You no go die. Don't bring and come.
Wait, come.
What happened?
You don't get a lot.
I don't get to. What about you? You don't get?
I get my own yesterday.
Hey. Good though.
How much him give you?
He give me 5.
Which one be 5? 5 waiting.
5 meter. 5 mila. Huh? Yes.
It's the same thing they give me.
I could give you. My salary big past your salary now. Shut up. Shut up.
Shut up. That one is salary matter. We need to do fast. No come out for this house. No say time Monday.
Not true. I dey work on now. No problem. I dey work on now.
Okay. Come first now. You today your blood did hot now.
I dey do something inside now, George.
Which day you could give me my own share? Of what we discuss. You know say we discuss am.
We never even finish work. You don't look for your own share. No worry, I will give you. No worry. I know if you do transfer now, but I promise you, I no go chop your money. I'll give you, eh?
Chiamaka. Yeah? Okay. Chiamaka, no carry me play. She you dey hear me? No carry me play. Ha. You know the kind of one before catch up with you.
It doesn't matter how long or how smart you catch up with you. One day you'll see. Alika onye mpalaku omakwa sali marubele.
Wetin dey happen sef? Peter never come work. What is the time sef? Let me check. Hey, after 11. Peter never stay come work. What is happening now?
I know you love the way I'm taking care of you today. You like it, right?
Like is an understatement. I love it. And I'm enjoying it.
You see? Have you seen why I said you should always set one day aside every month where you will sit down at home and be well taken care of? I cook, I give you. Before you die untimely. And your people, you know them. they will say, I allowed you to suffer to death. Some even of them will even accuse me of killing you. That's human, of course.
Otom, I am not going to die anytime soon. And no one will accuse you.
Are you sure he's okay? My mind is telling me now that his stupid wife is holding him back. Let me call him first. After 11, Peter never stay coming.
Rapundi Dembia, they will not accuse you. Who's that? Check.
Joy killer. Joy killer. It is Alika that looks like Alika for real.
Alisco. Yes. Oh, no. I'm not coming to the workshop today. No, what I am doing in the house is more greater than what I will be doing at the workshop when I come. Oh, sorry. Sorry I didn't tell you on time that I won't be coming to the workshop. Did anybody look for me? That man that his bow joint spoiled, did he come looking for me? Hello?
Ali. Give me. Joy killer. I don't know why your friend is always ruining our moods. Tell your friend to be careful. Because judgment of God is coming very soon. Tell him to be careful. What God has joined together, no man should put asunder. Yes. Yes.
Autumn.
Sir.
Oh, yeah. Are you going to buy another bottle here for me?
Today is your day.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But I don't want some people to be accusing me that I have finished your business, vegetable business money. You know, some people will come here and say, Blessing, do you have vegetable? They say, no. Why not? You'll be looking at me.
No.
And they will say, probably your husband has finished your business money for you. I don't want people to come accusing me.
So if you want me,
you know,
so you ate our money.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Wetin Peter dey talk sef? Say the work when they do better pass this our work. How now? Which work Peter go dey do wey go better pass this our own work? As far as I'm concerned, there is nothing Peter will be doing that will be better than this our job. He's just being lazy. Yes, I've always known Peter to be a lazy man.
I've come back again. Story 3, story there.
You again? What are you doing here?
My car.
Your car?
Yes.
This time around, I will just kill you. Am I holding one of your kidney?
In my car.
Your car? Wait, let me give you your car. Let me, I will give you your car, man. Wait, now come on, Kabaya. Wait and take your car. Come 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 and take your car now. Let me see you here again. Let me see you in this shop again. I will not just see this. I will make sure I kill you. Let me see you in this shop again. You just want to leave me around. What is your problem? Am I wanting anything that belongs to you? I've always known that today will be a bad day. That my so-called stupid wife prayed for me today. Nothing good comes out from that woman. Yes, nothing good comes out from that woman. I'll make sure she will never pray for me again.
One day,
my people in my house, in my shop,
Oh Lord have mercy. What a day. Chiamaka! Madam, I'm coming.
Madam, you're back. Good day, ma. Welcome.
Thank you.
How was work today, ma?
Stressful as usual.
Oh, sorry, ma. Sorry.
What are you making for dinner?
Rice and stew, ma.
Rice and stew. Is that what my husband wants?
Yes, ma. I asked him this morning before he left for work.
Okay. I got you something.
Got me something.
An Android phone. You're a big girl, so I think you deserve it. You need it.
Madam. Wait. Madam. That's okay. I'm scared I can't touch you. Madam. I like it. Madam, I have a phone. Madam, Android phone. Oh, madam, thank you. Madam, thank you. Thank you. I feel like hugging you now, but you know, I was in the kitchen when you called.
Oh, Chiamaka, it's fine.
Thank you.
Okay, another thing. I will tell my husband to increase your salary because you're working too much in this house, and I appreciate it.
Madam. Give me madam. I can help you. Hey, madam.